weeks old. But due to the COVID situation in Spain and in Europe in general, it seems to be deteriorating a little bit. They've locked down parts of Madrid, and we don't want to get stuck in a situation where we can't get there to pick him up. So we decided, we spoke with the breeder, and he advised us that it's okay if we pick him up tomorrow. So we're on our way.
We're ready?
Oh, we're ready.
Oh, hello. They all want to play.
Oh my god. Hi. Hi. You're biting me already, huh?
Hi. Yes. Oh, look how they're all coming to you. They're so cute. Hello. I couldn't sleep last night. I was so excited. Hi.
So I see the collar matches the little rings yesterday in the pictures. The collar?
Yes, yes, yes.
That's in the picture.
Yes.
Okay, I see.
What did you find there? Yeah.
Yes, you do. Hi, hi. Hello.
Yes. Oh. Wow. Hello, cutie. Oh, their teeth are a little sharp.
Come
Hey.
on. Yes. Yes, yes. Like the camera? Yes. Hi. Oh my god. How do we pick one? I think I like this one.
Oh, hello. Hello, you all want to play at once? Here. Here.
This is UFC. You're making friends? Hey, Togo!
Togo, what you got there? He's sniffing it, you know?
Yes, of course. He's interested in everything. Hey, welcome to your new life. Yeah. I love his coat. Mama happy?
Yeah. Oh my god, I love his smile and just everything. It's gonna be
All right.
a cozy night at home. Let's hurry home with the
Let's
puppy.
get going.